Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody's using the complex star mode right here, and they're saying that their sharpness is grayed out, and it is. That's because Corel is limiting your sharpness per how many points you have. If we raise this to 8 sides, we get 1 sharpness, but we can't go any higher. Well, we can go to 2 or 1. If we raise this to 12, we can go up to 3 or 4. If we raise this to 20, now we can go all the way to 8. So watch this number right here change when I lower. See, it automatically is going to the maximum that you can put on that level. So there's nothing wrong with this program, or he didn't turn anything off. It's just the way it is. And if we raise this to 25 and get the sharpness as high as it would go, we're going to make this shape. But you don't really, need, unless you need this interior lines, all you have to do is go to your polygon tool and hit 25 points and grab your shape tool, get on the shape part, and actually bring this in holding down the control button, and it'll be perfect. And you get basically that same shape. That one's a little bit tighter, but it doesn't, I don't have the, cross lines, and we can, there's a lot you can do with it. I don't use the complex star because I just don't see the advantage in it. Anyway, I hope that answered his question. Corel has put limitations on the points. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.